Yan, for helping us finding Daniel. Thank you so much. Kuya Richie, for finding Daniel. Now guys, before we meet Daniel, this afternoon, we need one adult guest. Pero, hindi po ako yung mamili. Si Kuya Richie natin. Sumusunod ako sa kanya. Okay, Kuya Richie. Sinong bisita kay Kuya Richie? Walang papanaw po natin sa inyo. Ang may energy. Pinsan na po. Sulit nyo magpapang sa tawag mag-vlog.
Wala ka sa swing ha, diri ka.
Excuse me po, ayan. Dito po na sa gitna. Ayan na guys. Before meet Daniel, siyempre, kilarin muna natin si Ma'am. Now Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from?
Si Catherine!
I'm Franny Rain from Bislig City.
Ma'am Franny Rain from Bislig City. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am na Ma'am. Labitan po namin si Kuya Richie. Don't you wanna po? Ayan. Oo, Franny Rain na po yan. Hawakan na po natin. Ma'am, nandito ka lang, nalock na yung door natin. Wala nang labasan to. Ayan. Hawakan na po natin. Maglapag mo na kamay mo. Sasamahan kita, Ma'am. May kasama nga. Ayan. Hawakan lang po natin. Ayan. There you go. So once again, that is Daniel, our Burmese python with a scientific name of Python delicatus. They are one of the largest species snakes in the world because they can get up to 20 feet long and 90 kilograms. So, Ma'am, ayan, interview mo natin, Ma'am. Basta huwag mo lang ilaglag si Daniel, Ma'am, ha? Ma'am, sino kasama mo ngayon sa Davao Crocodile Park? So, who are you with? Ayun, Ma'am, sino kasama natin? Family ni Ma'am, sa kamay family ni Ma'am, family. Picture na po natin, Ma'am. Harap ka sa kanila, Ma'am, picture taking daw kayo. Tingin sa camera, picture natin, ayan. Pang Instagram, pang Facebook. Now guys, nothing to worry po. Now Ma'am, non-venomous po si Daniel. Ibig sabihin, hindi nakamamatay pa niya. Pero constrictor sila. Ibig sabihin po nun, sinasakal nila yung pagkain bago nilalamon ng bubuhan nito. Nakalimutin, picture po natin guys. Ayun, guys, walang baka po natin si Ma'am. Again, pinagpapawisan si Ma'am ng maraming singot. Ayun, thank you so much for participating. And guys, thank you so much. Now, that's all for this afternoon. Now, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. That is to preserve and to educate these people about these lovely animals. The moment you enter this facility, you are not just here or with our animals, you are already helping us in our mission as well.